In this WordPress tutorial video, I'll show how to add a variable product in WooCommerce WordPress. A variable product means, for example, you are able to choose properties such as the size or color of a t-shirt. Whether you choose the t-shirt to be red or blue, the size to be small, medium, large, or XL. The price of the product will depend on the combination of properties or attribute you choose. Let's have a look at this example over here. This is the example over here. So, which my client asked me to convert this Shopify website to a WooCommerce WordPress website. So, this is a product, painting product listed on the Shopify website over here. This is a variable product over here. Let me show you. You can choose the type of frame, whether the frame to be stretched canvas or black frame, and you can also choose the size such as 10 into 20 or a different size such as 12 into 24. Okay, so you can see the price changes based on the size as well as whether it is stretched or a black frame. Okay, so these are two variables over here. So this is a variable product. Okay, so we can start by creating a new product over here. Add new product. I'll click on this. Okay, firstly I will copy the name of this product, copy and paste over here. Great, I will get the image of this over here. I will get the image, and then I'll choose the product image over here. Okay, I will drag and drop this image, the product image. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Sometimes it also optimizes the image. That's why it takes a bit of time. So you can see that this is okay right now. I will set this image as the product image, and then it is set to a simple product. We need to click on this and choose this variable product. Okay, and then we need to go to attributes over here, and over here we need to there are two attributes over here, type and size. Okay, firstly I will use this one, type. Copy this. Okay, over here, enter options for customer to choose from, blue or large, whatever. But we need to set the values by a pipeline over here. You see a vertical line over here. You can find this on your keyboard. Okay, there are two types, black frame and stretched canvas. So what I'm going to do, I will firstly type down black frame and separate it to the pipeline over here. And over here, stretched canvas. And I will write this down, stretched canvas. Okay, maybe the spelling is a bit wrong, so I will stretched canvas. Okay, and I will save the attribute, save this attribute over here. Great. And then I will add another attribute. This is the size attribute. Okay, you see there are one, two, three, four types of size. Okay. Okay, let's add this. Okay, let's add this over here. So size. Firstly, we are going to attribute. We are going to add a new attribute over here. Great. Then we're going to go over here, size. We're going to write down the name of the attribute, size, and list down the sizes over here. 16 into 32, 16 x 32, separate, and then 12 into 24, 12 into 24, then 16 into 32, 16 into 32, then 18 into 36, 18 by 36. Okay, I listed down all the sizes. I will save this attribute over here. Great. Then we need to go to variations over here, and we need to generate different kind of variations. Okay, like different combinations of this two attribute that you have chosen, and you don't need to do this manually. Just click on generate variation. It will generate all the combination possible combinations of these two attributes. Okay, and you see it's loading. Okay, so you can see there the different combinations are black frame size this one, black frame size this one, black frame size this one, and stretched frame size this one, stretched canvas size this one, etc. Okay, so easy. But it WooCommerce automatically generate for you. You don't need to do it manually. So firstly, black frame and 12 by 24. Okay, for this one, let's edit this. And what's the price for this? Let's find the price for this black frame, and size is 12 into 24. I will choose this one, 12 into 24, 325. So it is 325. I will save this changes. Okay, I will save the changes. Okay, great. Then what I'm going to do, I will just go back. Okay, I think I missed a size, I guess. 10 into 20. Okay, I'll fix this later on, but let me show you the size I have added. Okay, then over here, black frame size 16 into 32 is 450. 16 into 32, I'll edit this, and the product will be 450. So I will also save this attribute. Okay, then over here, black frame 18 into 36. So what's the price of 18 into 36? To $525. Okay, and I'll edit this 525. Okay, and I will save this so I don't miss it out. Now let's go to stretched canvas. I'll switch to stretched canvas, and for stretched canvas, I'll start with this 12 into 24, $275. I'll edit this, and then price I'm going to set it to 275. 275. Great. Save changes. And for this other one, okay, then 16 by 32, $400. I'll edit this price of this. Price 400. Save changes. Then finally, 18 by 36, $475. Okay, 18 by 36. I'll edit the price of this. Uh, $475. $475. I'll save changes. Okay, so we have added all the sizes. It's just an example. Okay, I will fix that later on. Now what are you going to do? I need to choose the categories. Okay, I need to choose this one, this one. Okay, for this. But this is the real work you need to do over here for the variable product. I will just simply just publish this over here. Okay, it's publishing, so I can show it to how it looks in the front end. So okay, I will go over here. I will open this up in a new tab. It's loading the product which I have just added over here. Okay, it's loading the product. Okay, over here it's just loaded the product. So you see there are two options you get, type and size. Option black frame, and there you have the option to choose the size. Okay, then you can edit to cart. You can change the size, and you see the price also changes. Okay, price also changes. And if I can choose a different type, stretched canvas size, So you can see the price also changes over here. Okay, great. So this is how you can easily add a variable product in WooCommerce. I hope that I was able to explain the concept about the variable product easily to you, so that if you understand it, it is very easy to add. Okay, so I hope that you have found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.